Welcome back people. We already saw how to change the color of the nav bar and how to make it responsive in previous video. Now let's add supporting tech text to the nav bar. So let's go to the nav bar documentation. Here we have something called brand. It has the class navbar brand. This class can be applied to most elements, but the anchor tag is mostly used with this class. So let's add an anchor tag just outside the UL tag. So here we will add the href later. Now inside the anchor tag we can add an image or text. For now I will be adding only the text. So now let's run this. You can see the words or the text supporting tech being displayed on the navbar. So as you can see, the brand class styles the text differently from the rest of the text. Now we have a proper navbar with the brand name and few menu items. What if we want the menu items towards the right and brand name towards the left and little bit of spacing in between? So as we already know, all the menu items are held together by unordered list tag. So if we can move the unordered list to right, we will get what we want. So we have a class called MS-Auto. This will push the menu items towards the right. Let's see how that works. Let's go to UL tag, add a class MS-Auto, and run this. So as you can see, the menu items are home, about us and contact us are towards the right, and the brand name supporting tech is towards the left. So now let's change the viewport and see if it is responsive. Let's change it to tablet size or a mobile phone size or a laptop size. As you can see, the navbar is responsive to the viewport's size. The only problem is that when the screen size decreases, the navbar gets larger to fit all the menu items. So keep it in a constant size. I will make the menu item into a drop down menu so that it will not get stacked up when the size of the viewport becomes small. To do this, go back to the documentation. Here we have a button and it has the class navbar toggler. We can also notice that the UL tag is inside a div tag which has the class collapse navbar collapse. When you use collapse navbar collapse class, you will get a toggler. So what we will do is copy this button as well as the div tag. See, go to our code, add the button and div tag above the UL tag. Now let's run this. So here there is no changes, but when you move to a tablet size, you can see instead of increasing the size of the nav bar, all the menu items get into the hamburger menu. I have opened the same tab in a bigger window. Now if you change the size, you can see that the menu items disappear and here is a hamburger menu. I think you cannot see it because of the color. It is in yellow color and the nav bar is in yellow color, but when you press on it, you can see a drop down menu with all the menu items in it. We can do many more things like adding a drop down menu. You can also affect the position of the nav bar by changing it to default, fixed top, fixed bottom, sticky top, etc. You have other things like a toggler, and we also have external content. So that is it for this video. I hope you would have liked the video.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.